Okay, everything's done. And there's my cut hole, and there's what it looks like. But damn toe ball's upside down. Now the tongue weight on this says that, well, first of all, this is a frame hitch. Frame hitch is what they use to tow boats, what they call a class 3. This is not a class 1. A class 1 simply is a little ball that goes on your bumper, and it'll rip off your bumper. This is a frame hitch, so this thing is powerful. Now that hitch has more power than this thing, but all this thing is just pulling, so it's not a vertical. So what I want to do now is take this off and measure the clearance to the ground. If the clearance is good, I'm going to take this ball, I'm going to flip it over. If the clearance is not good, what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure out where it needs to be, and then I'm either going to get one that goes straight out, turns up, or match it up. In other words, I may have to buy another receiver for the ball hitch. And furthermore, this is a 3/4 ball hitch, so the question is whether or not it's going to fit. If I need to get an extension to pull it out here, I'll go ahead and get an extension. Okay, in other words, I need this thing to come out about right here. And if it comes out right here, then I will buy another hitch or receiver that comes out to here with the appropriate height that I need. But until I get this thing down and do the final measurements, these things are, you know, you can match them up fairly close, but I'm hoping that this thing just flips over and the clearance is good. If it's not, I may be able to get a new ball hitch and put it on there, but I'm not worried about this thing coming loose, or, you know, because it's lower, it's going to be a little bit easier to work with because you can raise the ball up rather than bring the ball down. So minimal clearance, this is good. I'm not worried about the tongue weight on here because the tongue weight's I think 300 pounds on here. Tongue weight's going to be good, but other than that, it should work out pretty good or very easy to fix. So that completes the install. I just need to get the mufflers back, and that should be it.